So see here everyone, today class we are not going to discuss about subject oriented topics. Today we are going to discuss about career oriented topics. Career means what? Getting job also and improving performance of the company also. So what is the important topic today? What is the thing we are going to discuss today? Career oriented topic. What is the topic name? Quick learner. What is it everybody? Quick learner. Put yourself mute, Usha. Please click on the mic symbol. If I mute, you are not able to speak. That's what I'm requesting you. Click on the mic symbol. There is mic symbol you are seeing. Yeah, please click there. Getting some noise from your side. That's why.
Find the answer, so I'm waiting.
Sorry.
I didn't find it.
See, now see here, right? Observe the red line. Mic symbol, Usha. Okay, right. So please respond to the chat, everybody. Okay, right. So today topic is what? Quick learner and quick performer. What is it, everybody? Quick performer. Okay, everybody. So these are we need to become in the software company. So this is very important topic also. Why? Because everybody expect this quality. If you observe, out of 100, at least 80% people will keep I'm a quick learner like that in their resume. Right? We need to create our profiles in the job portals. Understanding or not? We need to create our profiles in the job portals like ramsjobs.com, naukri.com, monster.com, whatever it may be, or career builder, whatever it may be. We need to create our profiles. There we need to keep our resume. What is the everybody? We need to upload our resume. So in the resume, what is the thing we will do? We'll keep our strengths and weakness also. So in the strengths column, what we'll keep? Quick learner. Okay, quick learner, quick performer like that. So why we should be a quick learner? Okay, right. How to become a quick learner? How to become a quick learner? See, out of 100, 90% people are not quick learners. Only 5 to 10% only gifted people is there. Remaining people by hard work only they need to become quick learners. So I will focus on the remaining 90% only because 5 to 10% they are lucky. So by default they got that. So if how much they other style also they have their own plans. They can able to implement that. But what about the rest of the 90% people? Understand everyone? So that's why I have chosen this topic. This definitely this will be very helpful for you also. So if you want to become a quick learner, first of all we need to know why we are not quick learners. Why we are not quick learners. Okay, right. So first thing, why we are not quick learners is, for example, in your school days or holidays, sorry, in your school days or college days, there will be one teacher or faculty will be there. If you don't understand, ask me 100 times. I will tell that. Have you ever heard this word or not? Respond everybody. So what we'll think, we will think he is very great teacher, he is very good teacher, and he is very patient teacher like that. But actually, in the colleges, he gets some personal reputation also. Okay, he teach very well. He teach with affection, with 100 times also he will teach like that. But just like him in the real world, it doesn't work in the real time. For example, whenever you got a company, you got a work. So if you are asking the same work 100 times, anybody tells you, respond everybody. Respond everybody. Anybody told you like that? Then what is the advantage of 100 times teaching? So just because of his personal pampering habit, he's telling, ask me 100 times, ask me 100 times like that. So unfortunately, what we are doing, we are thinking is that good faculty and great faculty, and we are stopping thinking. Whenever he teaching the class, also we are not listening. 10 times, 15 times onwards, and we will listen. And one more disadvantage is we'll expect the same thing from the other faculty also. But as per the psychology or anything, as per the universal rule also, every person is individual, including your faculties. No person has same patience levels. Somebody will teach 100 times, somebody will teach only 1 or 2 times. Somebody will teach without anything, but somebody will teach who are responsible persons. If you are practicing very well, or else if you are improving yourself, then only they will take some personal interest. Or else whatever they know, they will teach and they will leave it. That's it. Understand everybody? So what is the thing you need to do is, if you want to get more information, you should be responsible. But what is the lack of our education system is not that there is no problem in the education system. There is problem in the students and faculty, especially 90% is the students. We are becoming irresponsible persons. We are not reading ourselves. If our parents force, then also somebody is not reading. Understand it? Because there's some misconception. 60% people will be success, 60% people will be success, 90% people will be fail. There is no universal rule like that. Anybody can success at any time. Only thing is we should be responsible. So without asking anybody, without forcing anybody, okay, without force of any other person, how much you are doing for yourself depends upon that. Your career is dependent. Understand everyone? So here there is two teachers, A and B. A teach 100 times, but B teach only 1 or 2 times. But if you are responsible, if you are practicing yourself, and if you are interesting, then he can tell some more topic also, some more subject also. So in the same company, in the companies, your seniors is like B type of faculty. They will assign a task. If you are improving yourself, if you are doing something, then only they will give little bit knowledge, or else they will write everything. So here, just because of that faculty, that type of faculty is teaching 100 times, 1000 times, something like that, we are stopping thinking by our work. Okay, that is faculty responsibility. Paying fee only our responsibility. Just because of token or taking token, your hungry will fulfill. If you went to a hotel, that's not everybody. You went to a hotel to take a breakfast. Okay, you have paid 100 rupees. You have taken idli and dosa. Okay, so just because of taken your hunger will fulfill. That's not everybody. So here also you are coming here, you are paying the fee. Just because of paying fee, automatic knowledge will come, or else if you practice, it will come. So that is the difference. Understand everybody? So responsibility by yourself is very, very important. Not only expecting from the faculty, we should learn by ourselves also, we should practice by ourselves also, without forcing and by anybody. No need to force by somebody, so parents will force, somebody friends will force. So whatever it may, without forcing by anybody, we need to be responsible. Understand everybody? Right. So this is one thing. So just because of that, we are habituated to learn 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5th time. For example, whenever anybody preparing for exams also, they are not confident. They will write the same question 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. They are thinking that they are doing hard work, but they are doing actually a useless one. Why? They are training their brain in a bad way. This is our brain. However, we will train like that, it will become. For example, if you are getting confidence after reading 20 times, understand everybody. So in the life, there is no time for to read anything 20 times. For example, there is 10 questions. If there is 2 times, okay, you can read each and every question 20 times. If there is only 2 hours, what will you do? What happens? What will you do? Nothing. You will quit the examination. Same thing happens in the company. Sometimes we need to perform very faster also. Without time also we need to prepare something. Any presentation, or else any documentation, or else any explanation towards the project or anything. But if you are preparing your brain to take a lot of time, 2 days time, 3 days time, or else 20 times reading, 30 times reading like that, you cannot read anything 1 or 2. Are you understanding my point or not? Clear it, everybody? So this is the reason we are not becoming the big learners. This is the problem our Indians are facing in other countries also, whenever they are going to the colleges. For example, if anybody gone to math class, ask your friends. Daily 1 hour class. That is also weekly thrice, not 6 days class. And they will teach whatever they feel, theoretically or practical, whatever it may be. Then after, in the end of the course, they will assign a big project. And that project, like Amirpet, nobody sells that project. They need to do it by their own. In the masters, who is doing masters from the years, right? By discussing with the other team members, or taking help from the faculties or whatever it may be, they don't write code for you. But whenever there is a problem, they will tell you this is a problem, this is a problem. Like that. Again, we need to rectify themselves. So that it is very tough for the students. But after a few days, they are becoming self-analyzers, which is very, very important for the programmer. Researching mindset is very, very important. But here, the problem is we don't have researching mindset. Okay, there is no problem in the education system. That means books, whatever the rules, whatever the formulas they are writing in the physics, in the work, same way it is working. Understanding or not? Whatever the mathematical formulas they have written in the mathematics books, They are working. They are not useless formulas. Then where is the problem in the education system? Everybody throws the simply they will tell problem in the education system, or else I will become an Elon Musk or else Einstein like that. Actually, the practice, there is no problem in the education system. Whatever the books you are reading, maybe they are less knowledge or else high knowledge, but whatever it may be, they are not wrong information. Whenever there is a wrong information, then only you can tell there is a problem in the education system. If there is no problem, whenever there is no wrong information in the books, you should not tell there is a problem in the education. And one more thing is outside countries, they are more work they will assign to the students and they will tell less in the classes. But here opposite. Faculty has to tell more, hours and hours. This much big notes they need to keep. Okay, and students will practice within half an hour. So here more burden on the faculties, no burden on the students. That means no work on the students. So these are major two drawbacks. Understand everybody? I'm telling that I'm not. So why I'm telling this is to improve yourself. Okay, not to escape from your doubts or anything. Of course, whenever you got any doubts, I definitely will start that. But I'm not asking it from you. But I'm telling the facts. It's the same means that if you go to the companies, nobody will teach you anything. For example, you are staying in the Amirpet bus stand. Okay, you stand at the Amirpet bus stand, thing like that. Some stranger came to you. Okay, some stranger came to you. He asked, sir, how to go to Secunderabad? Okay, since you are staying in this Hyderabad 4 to 5 years, you know which bus will go to which place, right? So you told him, take 10 number bus, any 10 number bus, you will go to Secunderabad. Simple answer you have given. So you have waited 10 minutes, but your bus is not coming, and you will observe the other person. So after asking, he move little bit away. Generally, we'll do that. Okay, right? We'll observe it 10 minutes. 2 to 3 buses has gone. And whoever asked me about Secunderabad, he did not move his leg to get into that bus. To get into that bus, at least he did not move his leg. After 10 minutes, he came to you and he asked the same question. Sir, how to go to Secunderabad? He is not scolding you, he is not insulting you, he is not using any abusive words. Simply, innocently, he is asking, sir, how to go to Secunderabad? This time we'll get a little bit irritation. I'm not responding everybody. Why? Already have answered the same question previously. Right, and he is asking the same question again after 10 minutes without doing anything. At least he did not move his leg. Are you understanding or not? Then after 10 minutes also again, though he got irritated, little bit louder voice he told. Already I told you take a number bus, but 2 buses has gone. What are you doing? I have observed you did not move his leg also. So if you need 10 number bus, please get into that bus. Definitely we will go to Secunderabad. With a louder voice he have told. Again 10 minutes completed. Unfortunately, your bus is not coming that day. So you have observed that person. Again 3 buses has done within 10 minutes. Understand everybody? So again he did not move his leg. After 10 minutes again he came to he asked, sir, how to go to Secunderabad? This time he will get anger or not? Respond everybody. First time normally told. Second time irritation. Third time anger. Then what happens? You don't scold him or else you don't kick him or punch him. Simply will tell, sorry I told. So what are you doing? You are trying to avoid him. What is everybody? You are trying to avoid him. So the same thing happens in your company also. However, that other person asked you, sir, how to go to Secunderabad? Generally, whenever, okay. So generally, whenever you don't know anything, you will ask the experienced persons only. Any others also. The same way, whenever you got any new work, since you don't know how to do it, you will ask your seniors or else any other person, sir, how to do it. So, however you answer it, take 10 hour bus, you will go to Secunderabad. In the same way, your seniors or else your colleagues will give you some suggestions. They don't write code for you immediately. Or else after some time also they don't write code for you. Understanding or not? They will give what? Suggestions. Depends upon their suggestions. At least you need to do something. Of course, there is there is a task. So depends upon the suggestions, you need to complete 100% task. At least 60 to 70%. In the least case, at least 20 to 30% and the task also you need to complete. Then only they will give you next best suggestion. Understand everybody? Why? Because they will feel yourself as a responsible person. If you don't write anything, what they will do? They will tell, okay, they will get a repetition. Second time also they will say the same instruction. So again they will give some time, half an hour, 1 hour. So after 1 hour also, if you don't write anything, what they will do? Okay, he is not that much capable person. So if I give a assign, he assign one. They already are restricted to hours time. So if you don't do it, who has to do? The senior has to do it. So again, he has to spend half an hour or 1 hour extra time to complete that work. So if I assign work for him, he will waste the time, and not only that, again I need to work 1 hour extra. Like that he will get. So that what happens next time onwards, he don't give any work to you. He will try to give work to the others. So if you are working 1.5 years or 2 years also, they don't give any more work. But he is giving the same. Suppose you are a fresher. Okay, some other fresher also there. You are not doing anything. He will give the work to the other fresher. So he is doing daily work. He is improving himself. So after 2 years, who will be in better position? Knowledge base. Tell me. Whoever doing work also he is not doing work. Whoever is doing work. Who is not doing work, he don't be in better position in knowledge base. Without knowledge, can you get more salary in the software company? Tell me. So no knowledge, no salary. That's it. Your career is ended. Understand everybody why I'm choosing this topic. Okay, everybody. Right. That's why I'm telling these examples. Okay. So as a senior, what they will expect from the juniors? Reduction of work. Was it everybody? Reduction of work. For example, there is a lot of work. So when there is other person is there, they can reduce their work little bit. So they will assign work for you. Since they are assigning the work for you, of course it is a little bit difficult for you because of the pressure. But still, if you are able to do it little bit, if you are improving a little bit daily like that, so they will think, okay, he is responsible person. If I assign him work, however, he will complete. So that if I train him after 3 months or 4 months, I can at least reduce the work at least 10 to 20%. Understand it? So of course that is his selfishness, but just because of his selfishness, you are getting work also. You should not forget about that. Yeah. So anybody getting salary is just for work only, not to sleep there. Right, everybody. Whenever you are going to the office, what will you do? You will sleep there, or else you will work, or else you will play cricket. Work only, right? So you should learn work. If you want to learn work, you should do work. If you want to do work, you should prove yourself as a responsible person. Are you understanding or not? Okay, everybody? Right. So, what is that? Least case, what we need to do? At least we need to implement 20 to 30%. Understand, everybody? Right. For example, you are expecting some clear solution. For example, there is a problem for you. You are expecting some clear solution from other person. What is the first step we need to do? You need to give him money, or else you need to cry in front of them. What is the first step we need to do? We need to explain our problem clearly. If you want clear solution, first of all, we need to explain our problem clearly. For example, you are going to a doctor. Actually, there is a pain in your stomach. After going to the doctor, you are telling that there is a pain in your head. What is the medicine he will give? Headache medicine or stomach pain medicine? Huh? Headache medicine. So after taking headache medicine, your stomach pain will be reduced or tell me. Headache medicine will work for stomach pain? No. So where is the problem? Explanation. So you should not think, you should not tell him, you are a doctor, need to find it yourself. No. Understand, right? Whenever you are a patient, you need to explain your problem clearly. As a doctor, he can give you treatment. He is not an astrologer or any other person to guess what is happening like that. Understand it, everybody? In the same way, whenever any task assigned to you, if you don't know how to do it, you need to ask the thing, and then after you need to implement something. Why? Because after writing your code, after you are writing 20 to 30% only. Okay, yeah, you have written something. They will see your code. So by seeing your code, they will identify what is your problem. Okay, what is your problem? By seeing something. For example, if I ask you to read here anything. For example, if I ask you to read here, what will you tell? Quick. Why? Because there is something. For example, if I ask you to read here, can you read anything? Why? There is nothing. In the same way, your seniors also, whenever you write anything, they can understand your problem. But is empty like this, what they will understand? Are you understanding or not? So that's why you should not show them empty computer. That's why I told least case 20 to 30%. So then what happens? They will see your code. So why are you taking this variable? Why are you taking that variable? Why are you using this function? This function is not useful here. That function need to use another place. Like that, better suggestion they will give you. Then after again you can improve yourself. At least you can complete 60 to 70%. Then after some time, of course they will get anger. So again you are not completing like that. But they will feel okay. He is responsible. He is improving yourself, something like that. Okay. Then after they will give little bit more suggestion. Then you can complete the work 100%. Okay, right. Next time also they will try to give this other one. Again, you need to do improve yourself. So if you are thinking, if you are doing like that, okay. Though they are getting irritation and frustration on you, but still there is no other option for you because you are doing work. Sir, I have some work, sir. I have. Okay, Divesh, right. Okay, though you are have something, okay. Very good, everybody, right. Okay, so if you are improving yourself, okay. Though there is no option for him, definitely he will guide you, and you will get knowledge also. After 6 months or anything, you will understand the software related things. Automatically, you can do yourself. Okay, right, everybody, right? Clear or not? So this is the reason why we are not becoming quick learners, and not only that, how to behave in the companies also. As a software engineer, they will expect 100% work from you. If you are doing work, no need to afraid of anybody. If you are not doing work, then only problem. So always focus on the work whenever you are getting to the job. First 2 to 3 years are very, very crucial. First 2 to 3 years are very, very crucial. They are not respond everybody. Okay, right. This is about this. Then after what is this? Quick learner or quick performer. This is the best quality. This is the one quality everybody will expect nowadays from the company. It should be quick learners and quick performers. Okay, right. So I told why we are not quick learners. So what is the problem? What is our mindset? What is the difference between our mindset and other country students' mindset also? Okay, right. Now then after, how to become this quick learner or quick performer? Right, everybody? Right. So one more thing, this is not a personal development class. I don't believe in personal development or motivation. Okay, this is just factivation. I'm telling you the facts. It's my all experience. Right, everybody? Right. So in personal development classes, they will tell these things, but they don't tell you how to gain them. Just they will tell this is the policy of, but they don't tell you how to gain them. Okay, right? I know I'm telling you. So, for example, if you want to become a quick learner, quick performer, we need to have 3 P's. We need to have 3 P's. What are they? First P is patience. Second P is presence of mind. This is called focus. Third P is problem solving skills. This is for quick performer. These 3 are very, very important. The personal development class also they will tell you these points. Patience at any time. Okay, or presence of mind, or problem solving skills like that. But they don't tell you how to gain them. Now I want to tell you how to gain them also. Okay, right. So in order to get all these 3, for example, I'm sharing you the videos with you. Right, everybody, I'm sharing the videos with you. So whenever you are watching the videos, what is the thing you need to do? You should not practice immediately. For example, you have opened the video, Google Drive video. Then what somebody will do, they will open that video and they will open Notepad++ and they will watch that video 2 minutes, 5 minutes, something like that, and they will pass. Same thing, whatever I teach, same thing they will try to write out. That is not programming, that is the copywriting. You are not improving your brain. Correct, everybody? And you are not patient also. Whatever you want to do, you are writing. You are stopping and you are doing. You are stopping, you are doing. So that is not the correct thing also. So first of all, what is the thing you need to do is, you need to watch the video from starting to ending. Okay, starting to ending. So watch that video carefully. Like however we are watching a movie, starting to ending, we have an idea. The same way, whenever you are watching a subject related video also, you should have an idea. Starting to ending, you need to watch completely. Clear it, everyone. Okay, you need to watch the video completely. After that, what happens? After that, what is the thing you need to do? You need to don't practice immediately. You need to close your eyes, try to analyze everything. Because analyzation is very, very important. Whatever you watch, try to analyze. So analyze means not by hacking. So what is the difference between by hacking and analyzation? For example, I want to print a user's first name. That was what I will do. Where first name equal to Ramesh, where last name equal to Babu. Display full name parenthesis like this. Is that first name plus this that last name? This is by hacking. What is analyzation? What is our agenda? Displaying users. Okay, displaying a user's entered full name. Okay, right. So that purpose, what is the thing I need to do? I need to write a function. In that function, how can I do? How can I do it? I need to take two variables. Why? Because user contains minimum two names, first name and last name. So to contain first name and last name independently, we need to have two variables. Then after, we need to write a function. In that function, we need to write a concatenation. Console.log first name plus last name. And where are we writing inside a function? So whenever you are writing inside your function, what happens? That instructions won't execute automatically. So we need to call that function. Where we need to call that function? That is very, very important. Understanding or this is what analyzation. So then what is the advantage of analyzation? You can print any name in the world also. For example, if I ask you to print Mahesh Babu also you can print. Prabhas also you can print. But whoever by hearted, they can print always Ramesh Babu. If they assign you other one, so sort out me Ramesh Babu. He did not tell how to print Mahesh Babu. I saw he's very bad teacher. Like that they will. But process same. Understanding this is the difference between by hearting and analyzing. Where it everybody? So always okay, watch the video completely. Then after need to understand okay what we did in the video. Then after try to accommodate everything. First of all, need to see the output. Depends upon the output, how this output is coming. Where are we writing the function? Where are we? What are the variables we are writing there? Where are we calling the function? Why we are calling there? Everything we need to understand. Then after we'll get some knowledge. But without that, okay, output is Ramesh. Okay, first name, last name, display full name. This is called by heart. Unfortunately, 95% of people are doing that. They are seeing the output, but they don't analyze. According to your requirements, we need to analyze that scenario. What is our output? How we are getting it? What are the function we are writing? Where are we writing the function? Where are we calling the function? What are the variables are we are declaring? What is the variables are containing? Then after where are we manipulating the variables? Very simple. Understand everybody? Right. So like that we need to do it. So then what happens? Okay, somebody what they if their task is very simple, you can analyze everything. Sometimes here is unable to analyze everything. Then what we will stuck someplace. Then what is the thing we need to do? Open the video second time. So first time you are watching the video completely, so your patience is there. And second time also you are watching the same video. Then what happens? Your patience will be double. Not only that, compared to the first time, second time your presence of mind will be double. Why? Because previously you did not listen that much carefully, but after that you will try to analyze. So you are failed in the analysis. So whenever you fail in some place, then what happens? Whenever you are doing the same place second time, you will improve yourself. For example, you are preparing the examination, first unit test. Okay, yeah, I have read some questions. Okay, and out of five, three questions you got, but out of three, you forgot one question answer. After that, second unit test also completed, quarterly also came. So whenever you are preparing the quarterly examination, what are the question you forgot? You will keep more focus on not respond everybody whenever you are ready. Respond everybody. That is the champion mindset. Everybody has that mindset on it, right? Everyone. Respond. In the same way, whenever you fail in first time, whenever you are watching the video second time, since you are doing same work second time, you will put more focus on knowing. So it will increase your patience, it will increase your patience and it will increase your presence of mind. I understand everybody, it will increase your presence of mind. They don't understand it. Okay, it will increase your presence of mind also. Okay, everyone. Right. So after watching the video, then what is the thing you need to do? Again, you need to close your eyes and you need to realize this thing. So sometimes what happens, we will realize everything. Sometimes we will start. Then what is the thing we need to do? We should not open thought time. Immediately we need to practice. Why? Because there is not only conscious mind, there is subconscious mind also. Okay, everybody. So whenever you are improving, whenever you are writing, suddenly you will remember also. For example, your teacher told tomorrow I will give slip test. I will conduct a slip test. So the teacher given you 5 questions. All 5 questions you know the answer also. You have read it. Because tomorrow there is an examination, only that 5 questions. So whenever you are writing the examination, out of 5 suddenly you forgot 2 questions answers. So generally what we will do, third question, fifth question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, we will write. Right or not? That's what I will. So whenever you are answering for third, fourth, five, suddenly you will remember answer for the 1 and 2 also. Anybody experience this type of scenario or not? Respond you. Whenever you are answering for other question, okay, you remember answer for some other question. This is a general thing happens. Because your conscious mind focus on the current question. Your subconscious mind focus on your forgotten question. Right, everybody? In the same way, here also, whenever you are able to recollect everything after watching the video second time, try to do it, practice. Then what happens? Whenever you are typing in the computer, suddenly you will remember. Okay, here you declared this, here you declared this, here you declared like that. Understand, everybody? Right. So you have practiced also. So what happens if your luck is good, you will get output properly, or else you will get some errors. Whenever you are getting errors, what we will do? Generally, what freshers will do is they will take 5 to 10 minutes time. They will try to solve the errors, but then after 5 to 10 minutes, that errors won't solve. No, we should become learner. So it is becoming more than 10 minutes. So what they will get immediately very stressed also. Immediately they will open YouTube. They will watch Madhuri Dixit songs, Aishwarya Rai songs to release their stress. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, morning to evening also they will watch. Right? But there is no stress after watching the video 5 hours, 6 hours like that. But only 1 hour watching the subject related video, they are getting more stress. Understand my point? So whenever you get any error, okay, whenever there is an issues, don't keep very less amount of time. Okay, within a day you cannot become a quick learner, right? So don't put only 5 minutes, 10 minutes time. This is your learning period, right? So try to solve that error by your own. Take 2 hours time, 3 hours time. Means 2 hours, 3 hours. What will you do? You will try to analyze the problem in 100 different ways. That is very, very important. Whenever you got any error in the server level, also that is very, very important. Or understand my point. Okay, why this problem is coming? From where it is coming? So where is the problem? Up to where this output is coming? Then where it is stopped? What is the problem? Like that, we need to set. Understanding or not? Which is very, very essential. Right, everyone? Right, after getting the error, we need to take 2 hours time to solve that our errors by our own. If you are not able to solve the error by your own, then only watch the video third time. So same video you are watching third time, but comparatively first and second time is double. Third time your patience will be triple, and presence of mind also same thing. And watching the advantage of the third time, you got some already problem. So from the starting of the video, you will always search for the solution for your problem. That is called researching mindset. It will improve your researching mindset also. So finally, you will ask your thought time and you will observe each and everything clearly and you can solve the errors by your own. So totally how many times you are watching the video? 3 times. How many times you are practicing? 1 time manually, that means this thing, 3 times mentally. 1 time physically, 3 times mentally. Why? Because you are trying to analyze it. Analysis is also part of practice on that you should not ignore. And you are solving the errors also by your own. So problem solving skills also you are improving. Right, everybody? So why this problem solving skills is? It is very, very important whenever you got any errors in the server level or something like that. Immediately we need to solve that error. Within short amount of time, we need to solve that problem. When we do that? Whenever we have a habit of understanding the problem in 100 different. Since you are learning this 2 hours and 3 hours time, of course it is delay, but after 1 year, 2 years, what happens? You can understand any problem in 100 different. Immediately you can improve, you can implement different logics. Very everybody. So this is the success of every successful person. This is the secret of every successful person because they will practice more and more times. They will fail so many times. So Thomas Alva Edison, he has taken years and years. Okay, he has failed so many times. Then only he developed an electric bulb. Like in the same way Einstein. So not only result, the time also very, very important. Clear it, everybody? Right. So you need to take your own time to practice that thing. But month by month, at least 3 months, 6 months, you need to improve yourself. Clear it, everybody? Right. Understanding or not? That's one everybody. This is how you can become a quick learner. Tell me, everybody, this session is helpful for you or not? That's one everyone. Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Next class will be on 22. Understand, everybody? Right. We'll meet then. We'll continue our classes. Okay, right. So I will take all your emails from the offline team. Okay. Please also, please 1 second. Yeah. So please stay here 5 minutes. I will come back and I will check your emails. Okay. Right. Please stay here 5 minutes. Okay. Offline, not online people. Okay. Right. So please watch the videos in these holidays. We'll continue after 22. Okay. Right. Thank you, everyone.